Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. 5 to the power x root under x 8 power x minus 1 equal to 500. So we have to calculate the value for x. So how we can calculate? Here we can write this one in this form. 5x and 8 to the power x minus 1 and divided by x, that is equal to 500. So before solving this question, I would like to recall one equation. That equation is fx power gx. This could be write as 10 to the power g of x into log fx, that is f of x should be greater than 0. So this formula I am going to use over here to solve this question. Here what I am going to do, I need to factorize this 500. I can write 500 in this way: 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, and here 5x and 8 to the power x minus 1 divided by x. So this 5 now having power 3, that will be on the left side. So here 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power 3, and this one will be here. So 8 power x minus 1 divided by x and divided by 2 to the power 2. Here 1 is left. Now what I am just going to do here, this one can be simplified. So this can be write as x minus 3, and it is 2 to the power 3, and there x minus 1 divided by x, and here minus 2 is there. So we'll write this on 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 over here. And what will be the next step? That is over here 5 to the power x minus 3 into 2 to the power, it will be 3x minus 3 divided by x, and here minus 2 is there. So that is equal to 1 over here. So 5 to the power x minus 3, here 2 to the power 3x minus 3 minus 2x divided by x is equal to 1 over here, and that can be right here 5 to the power x minus 3 to 2 to the power x minus 3 and divided by x equal to 1. Now you can see here x minus 3 is common to both. Then we can write this one as in this way: 5 2 to the power 1 upon x, and there is a power raised over here x minus 3, that is equal to 1. Now what I can do, this equation is very equivalent to this equation by using this one. That is, we can write this one 10 to the power x minus 3 into log 5 2 to the power 1 upon x. 5 into 2 to the power 1 upon x, that is equal to 1 over here. And this one can be by taking log on both sides. The log of base 10, here 10 x minus 3 into log 5 2 to the power 1 upon x, that is equal to log 10 of 1 is coming 0 here, and here this term is this can be right as here log 10. So this one could be x minus 3 into log 5 2 to the power 1 upon x. This should be equal to 0. This should be equal to 0 over here. You can see here. So this one could be 0. So how we can get either this one will be 0 or either this one will be 0. So if I am writing x minus 3 equal to 0, so it is coming x equal to 3 and and here log 5 and 2 to the power 1 upon x, that could be equal to 0. So this one is giving 5 to the power 2 to the power 1 upon x, and it is 1 over here, so it will be just giving x, that is 2 to the power 1 upon x, and it is coming 1 upon 5. Therefore we can write this one in this way, that is 2 to the power 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 5. So x is equal to minus log 5 base 2. So minus log 2 base 5, that one. So there are two values for x is here. First one is 3 and another is negative log 2 of base 5. So this is our solution over here for the x. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.